Hello, good morning, friends. This is a board of frequency division multiplexing, as we are already discussed in theory. So now we have to discuss here practical purpose. This is a board of frequency division multiplexing, FDM. Okay, that means there is a division of the frequency in a different slots. So in this board, there is a this is what one frequency. It is a lower frequency, and this is a carrier frequency. Okay, low frequency and higher frequency. This is a one more frequency. It is a low frequency and high frequency. So that means it generates a total four number of frequencies, two lower frequencies and two higher frequencies. Okay, so modulator 1 and modulator 2. Okay, so modulator 1 is a combination of this and this frequency, that is modulating signal 1 changes according to the, that means carrier signal changes according to the modulating signal. This is a carrier signal changing. Okay, and here we are getting modulated output. Here is the same, that is a modulating signal changing with the carrier signal, and here we are getting modulated output. This dotted line shows there is a no connection internally. Dotted line shows no internal connection in between the terminals. Okay, now this circuit is what? It is a adder circuit. It is a simply linear mixer, means operational amplifier as a adder. With the help of R1 and R2, we are applying two signals here. So here is the one modulated signal and here is another modulated signal. That means two frequencies we are added here, and final output we are getting here. Output of, that means adder, that two frequency added here, and we are getting modulated as signal. See, FDM output as like this. FDM output is as like this. In this figure, this shows what? It is a three signals, but actually three signal is not possible. So here is what? Two signal we are considering, that is modulating signal 1 and modulating signal 2, and here we are getting combined signal or composite signal at this terminal, which we have to transmit at this terminal. Okay, now the job is what? To do the connection. Okay, see, here I am connecting dotted lines. There is no connection in between dotted lines, so do this. Okay, then so this is a lower frequency connection. Modulator circuit. See, modulator circuit consists of what? It is a MC1408. This is a modulator circuit. Here is one more carrier signal is added at the modulator 2. So this is a modulator 1 and modulator 2. Then modulated signal we are added here at the input of amplifier 1. Then second, it is a output of modulator 2, that means modulated signal here we are applying. This is a amplitude control potentiometer for the modulating signal, and this is for carrier signal, same for the another frequency. Okay, so this is a yellow knob shows the what? Modulating signal, and red signal shows what? Carrier signal. Carrier is always higher than that of the modulating signal, and with the help of this potentiometer we are amplitude varying, and here we are changing the frequency with the help of this potentiometer adjustment, frequency variable. Okay, now here we are on circuit after the connection. Okay, this is what CRO. Okay, now on the CRO there is a selection is what, put it on always DC signal. There is a dual signal, both channel we are use here. This is a channel 1, this is channel 2. Channel 1 is connected here. See, for the channel 1 there is a 2 cables for the CRO. Positive cable is connected to the one of the frequency, lower frequency, and black is connected to the ground. Okay, and the channel number 2, the CRO channel number 2 cable is connected to the output of our operational amplifier circuit, then ground, and see the output here we are getting this upper signal. It is what, this shows lower frequency signal. The frequency, lower frequency is what, 350 hertz, and this is a what, it is a envelope type of structure. Okay, that means here is a mixing of two frequencies, okay. See, this is a one frequency, lower frequency 351, and this is what, higher frequency or modulated. It is a combination of two frequencies. Okay, this is the input, and final output we are getting at the operational amplifier. This is what, combination of, at this terminal here we are getting composite signal, that means F1 plus F2, frequency division. See, in this frequency is divided here, okay. So this is all about the frequency division multiplexing.